White and strong teeth until old age natural recipe from Tibetan monks. It is a popular fact that Tibetan monks have very healthy teeth until old age. The truth is that there are no dentists or a toothpaste in these mountain areas, so their secret lies in a very simple and easy recipe. We will now reveal their natural method to preserve the health of their teeth. It's very simple. Their natural toothpaste is prepared as follows. Put 1 tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt into a half glass, 4 ounces, of boiled and then, cooled water. Stir this mixture energetically for about 1 minute, and eliminate the foam that has been formed on the surface. Procedure: using your toothbrush, take several crystals of the prepared paste and brush your teeth with the usual moves. Finally, you need to rinse your teeth using the water from the same glass. You should brush your teeth in the morning, the evening and after every meal with this natural toothpaste. In the beginning, you may feel some discomforts, as your teeth may become more sensitive on hot, cold and sour sweet, because of the usage of the salted water. The biggest advantage of this toothpaste is that it destroys all the pathogens from the mouth cavity and in very short time strengthens the tooth enamel, cementing the cracks and the bumps on your teeth. Moreover, your teeth will become very white and the grooves will become stronger and pink in color,